tour guides in Zamboanga City that were accredited and trained by Department of Tourism, and at the same time we are actually the one who is in collaboration with the local tourism office for this tour product inventory. Okay, so parang it's that inventory tour na gagawin natin, and this will allow us to identify and at the same time learn about our attractions in Zamboanga City. More of it will be coming in, but this time around we will be passing by muna dun sa CR. Kasi dapat yung mag-CR na po. We'll be giving the itinerary naman as soon after para at least alam natin kung ano yung pupuntahan natin before we finally push for the entire day's tour natin. Okay? By the way, just for the information of everyone, this is actually a modified tour kasi dapat Santa Cruz Island po ito ngayon, but we understand everybody is really struggling to cross sa ngayon. So we opt to have this tour within the city. Okay? Kasi hindi na po natin makancel yung mga nag-commit din sa atin for the day. Anyway, sige, sir.
Morning. So we're doing the tourism product inventory. So ano po ba yung tourism product inventory tour? Not only na magpapasya lang tayo, no? It is a puntahan natin yung mga sites, resorts, and other establishments para malaman natin yung mga updates and yung mga factual information. Kasi hindi naman pwede binibigay natin is maling information sa mga bisita. And also, no, with this tour, may matutunan tayo about Zamboanga City, no? Kasi sa mga hotel establishments, may mga bisita magtatanong talaga and more about Zamboanga City. And also, pag may magtanong sa atin kung sino pwede mag-tour sa kanila, syempre ibibigay natin sa mga accredited na travel and tours and guides. Kasi they are here for training and for refresher din kasi well-trained na din sila.
Mareng!
wala kayo nakita na plate doon. So hindi pa siya umabot na 100 pero it is called heritage pa rin. Heritage na tree po. Airport na, and I will give it to Mama. So she has a spill.
Barato lang yun. Unlimited. Dito bossing namin, mamo. Marino ni Sefrem. Yan ang manager namin.
In our neighboring Southeast Asian countries, they're more dependent on tourism. Bakit dependent sila doon? Because they believe in tourism, direct yung pera. You know? Di ba ano yung pinaka-problema natin sa Pilipinas? Hindi ba corruption? Regardless kung saan ka dali. What do I mean by that? Zamboanga in general does not have natives. Yung parang sabihin mo, ikaw yung... Oh, dito nga tayo pinanganak. Pero again, our ancestors come from somewhere. Okay? So hindi. Ang nangyayari, makita natin for sasabihin ako, when we came over and leave Zamboanga City, actually makita natin yung structure dun sa kaso nasa motor siya. Dapat may bata dun, 3 or 4 kababa. Kaya nakita nyo ganyan siya. May hawak po siya. Anong hawak? Pupunta tayo ng Museo de Zamboanga. These are actually the theoretical data. Okay, yung information na nandyan makukuha ninyo is already what was written. And we're very proud that we have that. So any artist, mga international ones, if you ask them, they already took out the outrigger. Why? Because if there is an outrigger, that means the boat is unstable. So for you to be, the Sama people believe,
Okay, so buenos dias otra vez. Takikitara na Museo de Zamboanga, una oportunidad para manjunto kita con el in charge. Okay. Sir, manda to conocer de esta persona.
Io si Architect Ildefonso Torres Jr., el Museum Curator del Diaton el Museo de Zamboanga. Este el City Museum, no, del Diaton ciudad, na LGU operated. El Museo de Zamboanga is a historical museum.
Yes, sir.
The aton subject el Historia del Ciudad de Zamboanga. Para pwede de aton mga ciudadanos ipati el mga bisita del ciudad.
Sí.
Sabi cosa bagayot, no, el Historia del de aton ciudad.
Okay.
The aton ciudad is one of the oldest city in the Philippines. So no, debe sabi sila na manadagat kita rikesa.
Si
When it comes to about history.
Rico di aton Cosabate, di aton syudad, no, in terms of our history. Sir, enante taman kwento-kwento kita ali adentro. You made mention que cada mes de febrero que viene, tiene vosotros programa aquel tabla kita aquel mga pamilya, si tiene vosotros mga antigo ali. Puede ustedes coordinar con el museo. ¿Puede ba te explicar, sir?
El uno programa del museum, no, kere sila man engage gayon con el community di aton, con el mga ciudadanos. So ya este programa el Museo de Zamboanga. Aquel every February, katini kami un exhibit na entitled Riqueza na Baul. Pero este Riqueza na Baul, programa este di amon during March, el celebration di aton del Heritage Month. So para pwede kami man engage na di aton.
Sir, areto, Heritage Man, oto también na Dia de Zamboanga, no? Oto también, sir.
Otro también
Pero
este,
to,
sir,
sabi
no?
kami, sir. Si.
Este Heritage Month, aquel national celebration sa di aton, sir, no? Para
Si.
man remind ko ng mga gente on nisisita kita preserva,
Si.
pati man promove ko ng di aton heritage.
Si. So, aquel tablo sa des programa, si iyo, di mo pamilya, tiene yung mga recuerdos na baul, pakilaya kami coordina con vosotros, sir. Cosa que el quiere decir, kaya sabi to, hindi naman te entende lo otro, cosa sa recuerdos, and il cosa el baul. Explica lang to ko nila, senyor.
Ese di aton riqueza na baul, por eso ya llama riqueza na baul, kay mostly ese mga old items di aton na tiene mga story behind, no, na de antes tali lang sa escondido na di aton baul. So tan encourage kami ko na di aton mga ciudadanos buska abri sila and mira sila ko sa kita tiene para pwede dale istorya. And pwede kita punese na exhibit. El Riqueza na Baul, un competition este na pwede liba el gente na museum, el di ilang mga artifacts or recuerdo, no? And then tiene kita mga experts tasaka para kita judges para mira sila kin bagayot el tiene very significant na history del Zamboanga.
Wow.
So tiene tamen kita sa mga premyo, no? El first prize el last di aton May ya dali kita 15,000. 10,000 el second prize y 8,000 el third prizes. And tiene pa otro 7 winners na kada uno sila ya receive 5,000 each. Este mga winners tapidi kami or tan-sign kami kontra con el mga dueño para deha sila na museum for 3 years para pwede man exhibit el di ilang mga items, no, na kelyagan na programa. So, este mga programa, ben bonito gayot ang mga resulta, kay ang mga artifacts sa pwede kami saka, akil ba bien significant gayot. Like akil, el first yatene kami winner, first prize winner, un este akil handkerchief size na Japanese flag, na yan sabi kami, el tatagale di ila, un guerrilla. Naya-ataka sila na un truck de hapon kay para sa supplies de comida. And then unod sila ya pwede recovery el aquel gale no handkerchief size na flag. And ben authentic gat ele, chini pa mga escribido nombre de gente y lugar donde sila ya sale na Japan.
Sí, sí.
So, ya benegale aquí, ya visita aquel Committee on Museums del NCCA, National Commission.
Actually, the word po. So, kung may mga din friends sila, much better na din na tanongin nila kung ano yung prefer. Kasi may iba na ayun na lang din magsabi. Since parang mas
Ito kasosyal ang La Huerta, oh, grabe. And then, meron silang bento machine, favorite sa mga bata. They are, wala, ordinary lang sa kanilang LED wall dito. Alright, so, ayan, yung mga visitors natin. So, they have, yeah, they have tokens, yes. Okay. Ma'am, ako ni Ugma i-promote. Kaya na ako i-program. Yeah, tomorrow. I will interview si ma'am and your manager. How about single motorcycle, no, Iki, ma'am?
There are motorcycles, but it's not operational right now
For
because
now.
the sun is not here. It's the sun usually who is operating those things.
Kasi
For
usually,
races.
si Kim kasi is my friend.
Yeah.
So, mahilig ka sila man trail. So, di may mga tropa, the owner of Titans Auto Parts, in the Serpelix, the other group, they used to go here. And I saw the videos, taman niya sila Aki. Tan trail. Ah. So, this is their food for merienda. Hi, what's your name? Okay, so si Ma'am Pernicel pala. Ma'am, bale, how frequent is this? Every week, channel series sila activities? Okay. But,
halos every week, maybe siguro isang week, mga siguro 3 days
alright.
or 4 days, ganyan.
So those who would like to experience, how is it? You choose your participants or they can go to your office? How is it?
Any seniors, younger ones, pwede po lahat. Though may mga limited areas lang, like for example sa Santa Cruz Island.
Okay.
So may mga sites, for example sa senior citizen. So kung hindi kaya, hindi namin tinitake risk na mag-activities, especially the Vinta ride.
Okay.
So kasi the younger ones, wants the adventure thing.
Yes, yeah,
Especially
correct.
on sa isla naman, sa trekking. So pag mga seniors,
It's more on safety.
For safety naman.
Okay, Ma'am Pernicia, thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you for being part of it. Ha? Okay, thank you. Gracias. So, Chenesila Bar. This is their bar here at Palm Beach Resort. They have a bluish color swimming pool. Very nice. Planning to go up there, Arriba, pero I think it's pinaltegad no, kami na Pariba, Kabarabaha. But it's more fun here. Ito yung mga pinagmalaki nila. Social kami, no? White get. White kami yung gadmen, bahala gadmen. Social get. Hindi kaya tulugi. Said the bar. Yes, sir. Wala, sir. Yes. Grabe. So elegante ganda. Very elegante. Very elegante. Kaway-kaway ladies. pure white. Mayaman. Chick na chick. Cottages. Dali lang, dali lang. Ganito kaganda ang West Palm. Social. Did you see that? The cottages. Social. Ma'am, social na social, ma'am, no? Ang ganda, no? Yeah, grabe. Ito yung pinakamagandang kaibigan na nakita ko dito. Yan, no? Okay. Ganda, oh. Super. Ganda,
All floor lang yan eh, pero like for honeymooners, this perfect to probably small family like of 4, diretso ito na swimming pool. Yeah. But it will take some time, probably like 2 years. This one, it's structure-wise is already completed. It's only the furnishing of the inside.
7 Marino News FM.
People coming inside.
News FM.
Ride the beat when you rock the mic. Put your foot on the gas and eat a red light. Ride the beat when you rock the mic. Put your foot on the gas, make a left, go right. Ride the beat when you rock the mic. Put your foot on the gas and eat a red light. Ride the beat when you rock the mic. Put your foot on the gas, make a left, go right. Ride the beat.
Let me show you some things. I can make it bang. 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 You should come over here and let me show you some things. You should come over here. Let me show you some things. You should come over here and let me show you some things. I can make it bang. I can make it bang. I can make it bang. I can make it bang.
Play it loud, let me hear you say it. One more time, one more time.